So another kind of bisector that you might be asked to draw is, or construct I should say, is where you have a line segment like this and you're given a mark on it, say here. And you have to draw a perpendicular bisector right on that mark. So how do we do that? Well, it's not that particularly difficult. You can see here that this line on this side is slightly shorter than that one. Doesn't really matter. You could extend that line a little bit further if you felt it would help. So you're not restricted to whatever is there. You could get a pencil and just extend that line a little bit, right? So you could make that a bit longer there. It's no big deal, you can do that. But this is how you essentially go about doing it. You know that's going to be the middle. So all I need to do is set my compass to anything really that looks reasonable, and put the compass point smack bang on that point there, and then inscribe an arc that intersects with the line segment like that, and do the same on the other side. So now I have this sort of situation, and from here it's basically a line segment that I need a perpendicular bisector for. So I just set my compass, don't touch anything now, I've set it, it's more than halfway. So draw my arcs, one here, right? And then one here, okay? And now just join those two arcs, the intersections that I've just drawn. Line them up perfectly, and you'll notice that it intersected perfectly with that original mark. And there you go, done.